Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add border to your Google Docs in 4 different methods. First, using droning. Second, using a table. Third, border around the paragraph. And fourth, border around an image. In first method, using droning. From this section, click on Insert, go to droning and click on New. From this window, click on Shape. From Shape, choose Rectangle. Draw a square, click on it, and from Fill Color, choose Transparent. Click on Save and Close. Now click on the square, choose Behind Text. Again, click on it, and from this section, move it. Next, choose Fix Position Page. Now, with your mouse, extend the border. You can, from this section, change the color of the border and change the size. This method is finished. Now, using a table. For using a table, click on Insert, and from Table, choose one cell. Now, go to Format, go to Table, and from the end, click on Table Properties. From right sidebar, you can choose the color of the border and change the size. For example, I choose red. And from with Enter, you can extend the border to any page, and you can import or copy paste or write your text in the border. Second method is finished. Insert method. In the third method, if you want for a special paragraph have a border, click on the first of the paragraph, for example the second one, and click on the format. From paragraph style, choose border and shading. All this section, enable all this section. Now you can change the background color or border color or the size, and after that click on Apply. Now you have a border around your special paragraph. The third method was finished. In the fourth method, if you have an image like this and you want to have a border around that, click on it, and from border weight, this section, choose a size. Now you have a border around your image. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was useful, please subscribe to our channel or like or comment to thank you.